What up, YouTube fam? Got another project for the day. Today, we're going to replace an outlet socket, outlet plug, receptacle, whatever you want to call it. Don't really matter. It does one thing. You plug shit into it. So we're going to be replacing this one. This one's got 2 USB ports in it, so I can charge some stuff on it, and I don't have to waste my other 2 plugs. So, let's get to it. First things first, take out the fucking light out cover. The cover. Screw on the top off. On the bottom. Oh god, this sucks. I'm too fat to be in here. I need more space. I will start by taking the ground off. The silver screw goes with the white wire. The gold screw goes with the black wire. So I think you can stick something in. There's a release pin in there, something like that. Easiest way, just go ahead and cut all 4 off. If you have to work on these live, you can. I'm just not going to. Don't feel like burning up my outlet socket. But if you're not sure, instead of touching the wire like that, because you fucking will get stuck, and you don't want to have this hand here, because the current will travel through this arm, across your heart, your chest, into this arm. So go ahead and either, it's mainly if you're working on a bigger breaker box or something like that. Yes, I'm doing what I said not to do, so
yeah, there it goes.
Do as I say and not as I do.
So that's how you tell if it's hot. Don't grab it like that. Put your finger on, or no, I'm sorry, the back of your hand. That was a good one. And just brush up against it. So now that we got these, we'll go ahead and strip the rest of these ones. First, since this is already hot, you don't really want to be fucking with these two. So you want to actually just go ahead and put a wire nut on them. Go ahead and throw a wire nut on it. Don't fucking rub up against it, especially if it's a 277 or 240. The breaker box and shut that motherfucker off because I don't feel like burning my shit up.
Alright, so generally this breaker box is in the backyard, side of the house, or in the garage. So I got my lovely assistant telling me when my hot stick goes off. It's over here. There? Alright. Now let's double check. No power, no power. There's 2 plugs right there. One is for each wire since the circuit go ahead and continue throughout the house. Like I said, silver to white, black to gold, bare wire, not insulated, to the green. Here, come hold this for me. Come on. Don't be shy. Hold it for me. Let's go turn the power back on. I need your help.
Okay.
Be careful. Watch him, okay? Look, hold it right here. Just hold it right there. Don't touch nothing else. Alright?
Okay. It's turning white.
You see the light?
No.
Is it on?
No.
Touch it.
Not yet. It's not yet.
Okay, good job. Go to the other one. Go to the bottom one.
This one?
Yep.
Okay.
Alright, good job.
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Yes.
Okay, you helping me? Got it?
Okay. I can help mommy, Papi. I can help.
There we go. Look, good job. Turns on. Here, give me a screwdriver.
Okay. This one?
No, the other one. This one.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. All right. Good job. Thank you.
And that's how you change out an outlet with the little helper. All right, fam. I'll catch you on the next one.